The 4th Karachi Literature Festival is underway at Beach Luxury Hotel. The 3-day festival will launch 25 books from local and international authors. 2 books were launched on the first day of the festival, while ambassadors from Germany and France also attended the event. Members from the literary, showbiz and other walks of life were also seen in the audience.
कि ये पाकिस्तानी सोच बेसिकली क्रिएटिव है, इंटेलेक्चुअल है और हम अमन चाहते हैं, क्योंकि अमन अगर ना हो तो लिटरेचर क्रिएट नहीं हो सकता।
एम्बेसडर्स आए हैं, उन्होंने अपने राइटर्स का बतौर खास जिक्र किया है, तो कुछ नई चीज़ें भी इस दफ़े हुई हैं, तो इस लिहाज से बहुत ही कामयाब।
Renowned classical dancer Shima Kirmani also performed at the event, which was greatly appreciated by the audience. Heavy showers drenched the city while the festival was still going on, but the participants enjoyed the cool weather along with the ambience. The festival will last till Sunday with a variety of sessions and speakers.